What's up, y'all? It's your girl Queen D, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so that way you get notified when I upload something. And for those that's been watching me since day one, I truly appreciate you for coming. Thank you for watching me, thank you for supporting, and make sure you guys do share my videos. Make sure you guys comment, make sure you guys let y'all people know that Queen D in the house. Like, let everybody knows that to subscribe to Queen D's channel. I'm doing a lot of things for y'all, like I'm trying, such as hair videos, whatever I can do, cooking, anything that I find interesting for y'all, I will be doing. I'm sorry guys, I'm fighting this nasty cold, so I sound a little weird. I sound like I'm talking through my nose, which I'm not, which I took something for it. My nose been running, I've been sneezing like crazy, so bear with me. I'm sorry. I don't sound the same. I sound a little weird. Don't mind me. And I'm okay though. Just feeling weird, and oh, my hair is tight, boy. But I love this hair though. Well, by the title of this video, y'all should already know what it's about. As y'all can see, I'm wearing my little apron or whatever, so that means your girl is about to cook. Okay. So yeah, by the title, y'all should already know what the video is about. I'm actually going to make some buffalo chicken dip, which is one of my favorite snacks. Not really a snack, but I guess you can call it a snack. But that's a snack, appetizer, whatever you want to call it. You get full off of it, so you know. So I'm gonna be making that for you guys. I've always make it, and I have people that like, so I figured that I should share with you guys my secret ingredients, how I make it, what I use. It's a very quick and easy process, like straight to the point, y'all. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I'm actually gonna be telling you guys what I'm using. So obviously there's stuff you need. It's not that expensive. This appetizer is like under $20. All I got is some cream cheese, and I actually got extra. I probably won't be using all of it, but I got some cream cheese, and it can be whichever one you want to use. I have some mild cheddar shredded cheese. I have that. You need a buffalo hot sauce. The one that I'm using is Red Hot original and pepper sauce, so this one's very spicy. And I have this Louisiana hot sauce as well that I'm going to be using, and I'm actually gonna like use a little bit of both because you don't need too much. I'm using ranch. Any type of ranch you want to use, you can use it. My cream cheese right here. Any type of cream cheese you want, of course. What you need to use as well is some bell peppers, and I actually went and chopped this last night because I didn't want to make this video too long. Like, it's any color of your choice. The ones that I used were like red, yellow, orange, green. That's it. So that's what I'm using. You can use celery as well, but I chose to use just bell peppers, and you can use onions. It's up to you, whatever you want, and then you can. Here, I actually also went and marinated my chicken last night, and when I marinated the chicken, I didn't use salt or anything like that. All I used was some lemons. I used some complete seasoning and some Everglades seasoning, so that way, you know, there's like a little bit of colors to it or whatever. So it's already marinated. What I'm gonna be doing is actually I'm gonna be boiling it. I'm gonna make sure that we're to the point like it starts to shed. So that's what we're looking for. That's the kind of texture we're looking for. So my chicken is actually cooking right now, y'all. I'm about to show you guys real quick. That's the chicken breast that's cooking right now, and that's what I'm using. I'm actually using chicken breast for buffalo chicken dip. You need chicken breast, like I told y'all. That's the right one to use if you're trying to make it. The reason why I only use just those seasoning that I told you guys, it's because if you use like anything that's like that has like heavy salt on it, once it's done, it's gonna be very, very salty because the ranch, the hot sauce already has salt in it. So if you add salt, it's gonna be salty. So I'm not using no salt on it at all, beside the stuff that I mentioned to you guys that I'm using. Maybe you can use like just a little like sprinkle of salt on if you want. That's fine, you can do that, but don't like pour out a whole spoon or anything like that on there. Like, you don't want to do that. So it's boiling. In the meantime, I'm actually gonna get some other things done because I need to cook anyway, so I'm you know, cooking. But yeah, and I'll be back showing you guys what I do next once the chicken is done cooking. Hey y'all, so I'm back, and my chicken is actually cooked all the way. As y'all can see, it's cooked. It's good. Let me bring down the camera so I can see everything. My chicken is all done, like I told y'all. It's all cooked, and what I'm actually going to do is take a smasher. I have this smasher right here, so that's what I'm going to be smashing the chicken with, what I'm going to be using. And I'm just going to smash the chicken so that way it's well shredded or whatever. So that's what I'm going to do. So this is the final look of how it looks or whatever. It looks pretty decent. That's the texture you're gonna get it to, and if you feel like you still need to go over, you can do that as well. Feel free to do that, and you can get it as shredded as possible. So next thing I'm gonna be doing is adding my cream cheese to it. If y'all want it more spicy, you can always add more, you can add like cayenne pepper to it, which is the powder one, the one that's, that comes in the little container. So if you feel like the hot sauce is not too much, you can always go back and add more cayenne pepper, or just any like spicy flavor seasoning that you have, you can use that as well. So I'm just going to be mixing it in with the chicken, and just so that way it like melts through. I'm gonna add my ranch as well, and this ranch I got it from Aldi. You can use whatever ranch you want, like I told y'all. If you want to use the light ranch, you can. Depends on your diet and how you eat, so you can do it based off of that. But this is a great snack, y'all. You can eat this with tortilla chips, you can eat it with bread. So however you want to eat this, you're able to do that. You don't want it to be too watery, so you don't want to add too much ranch. You can add half of a bottle, because you have to keep in mind once you add the hot sauce, it's gonna get watery as well, so you don't want to add too much of the ranch. So what I'm really doing is going over just to make sure that it's well shredded, well smashed. And so I'm actually gonna be adding a little bit of cayenne pepper to it, just to give it a little color and a little kick, because you want it to have that kick to it. I'm gonna add my peppers in it. Oh. Then you're still gonna have to mix it around. See it? Then you don't have to, but you can add some cheese in it. So the last step will actually be baking it, so you can get the cheese to melt and the bell peppers to get cooked a little bit. So that would be the last step, you guys. After like mixing everything that needed to be put in it, once everything is in it, that would be the last step, is to bake it. So I'm actually going to add some of my cheddar cheese in it as well. You can add whatever type of cheese you want in it. So whatever type of cheese, whether it is cheddar cheese, straight cheddar cheese, you can. So I'm gonna be placing it in my baking pan. I'm gonna spray it a little bit, and this was already washed, you guys. I washed this before I started doing the video, so it's clean. And I'm gonna be taking the chicken dip, and then I'm just gonna be fixing it into the pan. Of course, you want to like clean it out, clean out the pan completely, clean it out, make sure that you take everything out of it. So, and I just take my knife just to make sure that I clean out everything off the spoon. Let's not waste it. Before baking it, I'm actually gonna take my cheese. You're just gonna spread the cheese all over it. And you want to make sure that your hands are as clean as possible, you guys. So you do have to keep washing your hands because you're touching different things, you know, as much as possible. So what I'm doing is applying the cheese to the top, just like that. Okay. And then I'm going to the other one, which is my Pyrex. I'm going to be adding it on there as well. And you can add as much cheese as you want. If you love cheese, be welcome to add as much cheese as you would like, as you prefer to. As much cheese as you want, as much as you would like. So that's totally up to you. As long as you can make it, that's all that matters. So last step is to actually go in the oven and place it in there because the cheese has to be melted. So that's what I'm doing, placing it in the oven. So it's in here baking, you guys, and you don't have to leave it in there for too long. You can leave it there for like 10 minutes if you want, and so that way the cheese can melt through, and then from there take it out, and then I'm gonna show you guys how it looks after baking it. Hey y'all, so this is the final look of the buffalo chicken dip after baking it or whatever. That's how it looks. Now you guys, so that's it. That's how you make a buffalo chicken dip over tortilla chips. Just gonna be trying it for y'all. So once you make this at home, let me know how you liked it. And if you haven't made it yet, I encourage you to go out there and make it. It's very good. Let me try it. Guys, I've been busting, but I'm not gonna eat it all. I just wanted to try it for y'all, and it's actually good, but it's not like too spicy. It's spicy, but it's not too spicy. And that's how it looks. That's the Pyrex pan, and then that's the other regular pan that I made. Well, this concludes the end of my buffalo chicken dip video about this video. Let me know if you guys liked it. Let me know if you guys made it at home. Let me know how it tasted once you made it. And if you have any questions, let me know as well. Ask me any questions. Let me know what y'all want to see next. Let me know if you guys have any ideas of other cooking stuff y'all want to see, whether it's a whole meal, whether it's a snack, it's an appetizer, anything you want me to make, I got you. Just let me know. That's all. Let me know, hey D, can you make this? I will make it. Okay, as long as I have some time in it, your girl got you. I like it. And when I make it for other people too, they always like it. So that's what I do. I love cooking. So I don't mind cooking at all. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys do give me a big thumbs up if you like this video, if you liked the idea of the butthole chicken dip video. Let me know. Like, I truly appreciate you guys. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment, and share too, and share this video, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Love you guys.